अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, अगर आपने इकोनॉमिक्स BS 17 स्केल के किसी भी जॉब की टेस्ट की तैयारी करनी है तो ये ऑब्जेक्टिव आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट हैं। ये बार बार हर पेपर में रिपीट हो रहे हैं, तो हमने सोचा कि एक ही वीडियो में हम आपसे शेयर कर दें। ऑब्जेक्टिव नंबर 1, इफ़ द प्राइस ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूशन गुड्स राइज द डिमांड फॉर ए प्रोडक्ट, ऑप्शन ए डिक्रीज, ऑप्शन बी इंक्रीज, ऑप्शन सी स्टे द सेम, ऑप्शन डी बिकम इलास्टिक। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन नंबर बी इंक्रीज। ऑब्जेक्टिव नंबर 2, द लॉ ऑफ डिमांड स्टेट्स दैट अदर थिंग रिमेन इक्वल, ऑप्शन ए एज प्राइस फॉल्स क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड इंक्रीजेज, ऑप्शन 2 एज प्राइस फॉल्स डिमांड इंक्रीजेज, ऑप्शन सी एज प्राइस राइजेज क्वांटिटी डिमांड इंक्रीजेज, ऑप्शन डी एज प्राइस राइजेज डिमांड इंक्रीजेज। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन नंबर ए एज प्राइस फॉल क्वांटिटी डिमांड इंक्रीजेज। ऑब्जेक्टिव नंबर 3, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फैक्टर डज नॉट कॉज द शिफ्ट इन डिमांड कर्व, ऑप्शन ए चेंजेस इन कंज्यूमर इनकम, ऑप्शन बी चेंजेस इन द प्राइस ऑफ गुड इटसेल्फ, ऑप्शन सी चेंजेस इन द प्राइस ऑफ रिलेटेड गुड्स, ऑप्शन डी चेंजेस इन टेस्ट एंड प्रेफरेंसेस। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन नंबर बी चेंज इन द प्राइस ऑफ गुड इटसेल्फ। ऑब्जेक्टिव नंबर 4, द सप्लाई कर्व इज जनरली, ऑप्शन ए डाउनवर्ड स्लोपिंग, ऑप्शन बी अपवर्ड स्लोपिंग, ऑप्शन सी वर्टिकल एंड ऑप्शन डी हॉरिजॉन्टल। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन नंबर बी अपवर्ड स्लोपिंग। Objective number 5, a movement along the demand curve is caused by, option A change in consumer income, option B change in the price of the goods, option C change in the price of related goods, option D change in consumer tastes. Correct option है option number B, a change in the price of goods. Objective number 6, in the case of an inferior good, an increase in income will, option A increase demand, option B decrease demand, option C not affect demand, option D cause demand to become perfectly inelastic. Correct option है option number B decrease in demand. Objective number 7, if the government imposes a price selling below the equilibrium price, the result will be, option A surplus, option B shortage, option C no effect on the market, and option D an increase in supply. Correct option है option number A shortage. Objective number 8, an increase in the cost of production will shift the supply curve, option A to the right, option B to the left, option C upward, option D downward. Correct option है option number B to the left. Objective number 9, when demand is inelastic, a decrease in price will, option A increase total revenue, option B decrease total revenue, option C not affect total revenue, and option D increase the quantity demand by the same percentage as the price decreases. Correct option है option number B decrease total revenue. Objective number 10, which of the following will not shift the supply curve, option A change in the technology, option B a change in the price of goods, option C a change in the number of sellers, and option D a change in the price of inputs. Correct option है option number B a change in the price of the goods. Objective number 11, in a competitive market, if the market price is above the equilibrium price, there will be, option A excess demand, option B excess supply, option C a shortage, option D equilibrium. Correct option है option number B excess supply. Objective number 12, the cross price elasticity of demand between two substitution is, option A positive, option B negative, option C 0, option D unrelated to the goods. Correct option है option number A positive. Objective number 13. If the income elasticity of demand for a good is negative, the good is considered as option A luxury good, option B normal good, option C an inferior good, option D a substitution good. Correct option है option number C an inferior good. Objective number 14. The concept consumer surplus is best explained as option A the difference between the highest price a consumer is willing to pay and the actual price. Option B the difference between the lowest price a seller is willing to accept and the actual price received. Option C the amount by which quantity demanded excess quantity supply. Option D the amount by which quantity supply excess quantity demand. Correct option है option number A the difference between the highest price a consumer is willing to pay and the actual price. Objective number 15. The price elasticity of demand is defined as option A the percentage change in the price divided by percentage change in quantity demanded. Option B the percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. Option C the percentage change in income divided by percentage change in demand. Option D the percentage change in demand divided by percentage change in income. Correct option है option number B the percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. Objective number 16. A perfectly inelastic demand curve is option A vertical, option B horizontal, option C upward sloping, option D downward sloping. Correct option है option number A vertical. Objective number 17. An increase in the number of buyers in the market for a good will option A shift the demand curve to the right, option B shift the demand curve to the left, option C cause movement along the demand curve, option D not affect the demand curve. Correct option है option number A shift the demand curve to the right. Objective number 18. The substitution effect of the price change refers to the option A the change in quantity demand due to change in the relative price of goods, option B the change in the quantity demand due to change in the real income, option C the change in demand caused by change in consumer preferences, option D the change in supply caused by change in production technology. Correct option है option number A the change in quantity demanded due to change in the relative price of goods. Objective number 19. Which of the following is an example of price floor? Option A rent control, option B minimum wage, option C agricultural price support, option D both B and C. Correct option है option number D both B and C. Objective number 20. The law of supply states that other things are being equal, as price rises, quantity supplied increases. Option B as price falls, quantity supply increases. Option C as price rises, supply increases. And option D as price falls, supply increases. Correct option है as price increases, quantity supplied also increases.